So doing this one thing is going to royally up your Facebook ads. And I can't believe that after my 7 years of running Facebook ads every single day, I still see people making this one mistake inside of their ad account. And I just had to quickly make this video because I've just recently started a big collaboration with a coach, influencer, whatever you want to call them. And the other day I went inside of the ad account to launch the ads for the campaign that we're doing together. And when I got in there, I saw that there were tons of different campaigns currently running, and these were probably other collaboration partners or other members of his team who were running ads for his different offers. So as any man would, I thought, you know what? I'm going to have a snoop around. I'm going to see if they know something that I don't know. Turns out they know fuck all. Because here's the big mistake that they were making, and it's the same mistake I see so many people do. So they will set up their account and they'll have one campaign, they'll have one ad set, and then they'll have about 1,000 frigging interests inside of that ad set. And okay, I'm being a bit dramatic here, but it wasn't far off that. Literally every single ad set had at least 10 different interests within it. So my question to them, and my question to you, if you're doing the same thing, how do you know what's working and how do you know what's not? And the answer is you don't. Let's just say you've got 10 interests within one ad set and you have this interest here and it's working. It is going to get you cheap conversions. But then you've also got this interest in the same ad set, and this isn't going to work. It is super expensive, no one's buying from it, and it's going to drive up your CPA. And because you can't break down the results per interest within one ad set, you have no clue if this is happening inside your campaigns. When in reality, you could be making so much money if you just scaled this one winning interest. And another thing that could happen is Facebook could basically say, right, I'm going to spend 95% of the ad set budget on the audience of this interest. And let's just say, for example, interest number 5, again, doesn't work very well. It is very expensive. So you will look at this ad set within your campaign, you'll be like, it's not working very well. None of these interests work. When in reality, no, it's just that number 5 doesn't work. Number 6 and number 7 could have been profitable, but Facebook didn't spend any money on it. So you could be missing out on a golden interest if you just continue to pair them up together. So what I like to do, if I've got 10 interests that I want to try and target, then I will split them up, one interest per ad set. You see, you gotta stop making it harder than it needs to be. Stop trying to be a hero and try and scale ad campaigns without the right split testing and data. Now, I know I'm gonna get some twat in the comments and they're gonna say something like, oh, Sam, this is outdated info. Everyone knows that it's all about open targeting and going broad. If your creative's good, then you don't need any targeting. In fact, I had some fucking idiot email me the other day after they had gone through some of my content and they were like, oh, Sam, how am I supposed to trust you now? In your recent video, you talked about how to target with Facebook ads with interest targeting, and everyone knows that it's all about open and broad targeting. I've been running my e-com brand since earlier this year and we've done over 75K and it was all from open and broad targeting and it was all about the creative. Well, you know what, mate? You can fuck off with your little fucking e-com brand and your 5% margins and your no take-home income. And here's how I knew this guy was an absolute newbie. You see, in the email, he even said, look, Meta even recommends that you do open broad targeting. Now, if anyone knows anything about Facebook ads, then you know for sure that the recommendations that the Facebook reps make when you get on the call with them and the recommendations that you see inside of the ads manager when you're launching your campaigns, they are absolute BS. For those of you who don't know, Facebook doesn't give a shit whether you make money or not. They don't care about how many conversions that you make. All they want you to do is spend as much money as possible. So what do all the reps say? What does all the stuff say inside of the ads manager? It always says, increase your budget and go broad, because they just want you to take all your money, put it on one big fat campaign so they can spend it as quickly as possible. Anyway, apologies, got a little sidetracked there. You know what, fuck it, actually, I'm not done. You see, the other funny thing about that email is that guy, he found me through my ads. he saw one of my ads, he joined my email list, and then watched one of my videos. And guess what? Those ads that he saw and joined my email list from, they were with single interest targeting. And this guy was an online business owner who is running his own ads. So literally my ideal customer. So single interest targeting can't be that bad. All right, okay, so this informative video did turn into a little bit of a rant, but my main point is that when you are doing marketing, you want to make sure that you are split testing one thing at a time. And this rule can be applied to all areas. So don't add loads of different interests into one ad set at once. Don't make 5 different changes to your opt-in page at once. Don't make multiple changes to your offer at once, because if you do, you won't know what's working and what's not. Whew, a little bit riled up now. I feel like fighting. Might go outside and put my head through someone's nose. But before I do that, thanks for watching. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.